Hello everyone and welcome back to RysFix. And guys, if your car brake light doesn't turn off even when you release the brake, then likely it is the fault of the brake switch. Now as you guys can see, this is my car and the brake lights are off at the moment. But if they don't turn off, even if you turn the car off, even if you release the brake, then guys, most likely it is the fault of the brake switch. So in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys how to replace that. So without any further ado, let's get the video started.
Now the brake light switch looks something like this. So you will have to find this first, and to find this you will have to go underneath your steering where your brake pedal is, and then you will have to look upwards. When you look upwards you will get a view like this, and you will have to search for the brake light switch. And as you guys can see, here is the brake light switch. Now I will remove my old brake light switch first, and to remove it the first thing that you will have to do is you will have to unplug it. So press this plug on both the sides and pull it out like this. Once you pull it out, take the spanner and loosen this nut. Once it becomes loose, so loosen it with your hands only like this, then rotate the entire switch like this and take it out completely. So here comes out my brake light switch. Now get your new switch, and the same way how you had taken out the old switch, now you will have to put back in this new switch. Rotate the switch first till it goes inside properly. Always remember to compare the new switch and the old switch before putting it in. Now this switch I have bought from the service center, so it is the original one, and the nut guys should be only as tight as how it was on the old switch, so that the gap between the brake pedal and the switch should be proper. So see that you take a photo of the old switch before you take it out, so that when you are putting back in the new switch, you put it inside exactly the same way. So once you put it inside, now it's time to tighten the nut. So tighten the nut properly, and once you tighten it, your switch should face this side so that you can plug in this wire. Once you are done till here, now it's time to plug in the switch. So here I have plugged in the switch, and with this I am done replacing the brake light switch, and your problem will be solved now.
So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. So that's all in this video guys, and I will see you guys in my next video now. Till then, bye and take care.